No spots here.
Meh, no thanks. Fruit attack!
Huh? That is unacceptable! Stop it right now!
Sorry, Mommy.
Wait a minute. Oh. Hello?
That was awkward.
Yes, 1 second.
Yay! While Mom's away, I can play! It's raining suds, people! Woohoo!
Bye! Oh!
Uh-oh.
Young lady! There's soap everywhere! What did you do?
Just playing with suds. Don't hate me.
Actually, I have an even better idea. And it involves a sponge. Half of it anyway. Perfectly done. Add some hot glue and wrap it around a cork. Done! Now we add a little fun. Everyone loves googly eyes. Just stick 'em right in. It's a little sponge snail. See?
I don't know.
It won't bite. I'll show you how it works. Now drag it across the lines. It leaves a little trail. Now you go.
Okay, I'll do it. This road's full of twists and turns.
Good job. Okay, bye.
See ya, Mom! Eyes on the road. Where was I?
Megan! My work!
I'm sorry. It was an accident.
No! These are very important papers! Or they were. You need to use your head!
Oh, man.
From now on, you're using this. It sticks to the table, see?
Huh?
We call that spill-proof.
Oh, cool. That's not going anywhere.
That's one problem solved.
Sorry. See? She's my favorite. Hey, what's going on? This isn't working right either. Oh, bummer. I can kinda still hear it. Oh! It's totally gone now?
Things are looking up. When it comes to messy situations, it's always good to look at the glass half full. And in this case, a stemmed glass will do. This will stay put now. Ta-da! What do you think? I'll show you how it works. See your phone screen?
Well, kind of. I don't… Huh? Over there! My show! My show!
Yep, I made popcorn too.
I love this part!